Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the purchase ticket is in your Ticketmaster orders. This ensures you add the correct pass. Open the Ticketmaster app or the email that holds the ticket and tap View Ticket. This exposes the Add to Wallet option. Once done, make sure Apple Wallet is enabled and you're signed into your Apple ID. That's why the pass saves correctly and updates in real time. If you don't see Add to Apple Wallet, close and reopen the ticket screen to refresh. Tap Add to Apple Wallet when the button appears. You'll see a preview of the pass. You should review the details and enable wallet notifications so you get event updates or gate changes. This is why you don't miss time-sensitive alerts. After adding, confirm the pass appears in Wallet and optionally enable lock screen access for express entry. Make sure Face ID or your passcode is set so venue staff can validate your ticket quickly and securely when you arrive. At the venue, open Apple Wallet and select the Ticketmaster pass. You can present the barcode or hold your phone to the reader for NFC. Either method works. If the barcode isn't visible, return to the Ticketmaster app, refresh the order, and tap Add to Apple Wallet again. That typically resolves sync hiccups. If NFC doesn't scan, switch to the on-screen barcode or have staff manually scan. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle airplane mode briefly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.